Hey guys, so I was looking on how to possibly fix the Electrolux E10 for your dishwasher. So the thing is that this is a problem with the water inlet system, specifically slow or inefficient water fill. So if you can, check the water supply, if it's everything working fine, and check the water inlet hose. Maybe this is going to be like the reason why it's like everything's all right. Then check if there are like any blockages in it, and if it's possible, like you can even test it out. So yeah, this is the way what you can try to do, and I hope it helped you at least a little bit. If it didn't, I'm sorry. I'm just looking for the possible things. And also the water inlet valve, this is another thing that said maybe it's going to be. And yeah, and you can also reset the dishwasher. So if you can like turn it off for like 5 minutes and then turn it back on. And I hope this video was helpful at least a little bit. If it didn't, I'm sorry.